What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I know it has been a while, but we have a new install video for you today. It's not going to be a how-to video, but it is going to be an install video and new mods for the WRX. If you guys are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is AJ. I go by Emo Gusto here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what we have in store today. So as you guys can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, not just 3, but we have 4 boxes total. Now, obviously the 2 white boxes on the bottom is going to be self-explanatory. These are the Subiespeed Redline V2 headlights that will be going on to the 2021 WRX Premium. Now, inside this box right here is going to be the Noble carbon fiber grill, aftermarket grill. It will be basically the emblem delete. And this one is basically going to be, well, this right here is going to be the signal replacement here. It is all LED with a black housing just to kind of match everything, the theme with the car. I bought this by mistake, but you know what? We said, screw it, why not? I was under the assumption of buying only this part right here, but let's just slap it on the car. So right now we're just waiting for Dennis. He is on his way here. He did say that he was going to leave or head out around 5. It is currently 5:07, so we're just gonna be on the waiting game. As soon as he gets here, he's probably not gonna be on the camera because he might be camera shy, but I will go ahead and show you the progress and update you guys as we go. Catch you guys on the next clip.
I'm similar to the thriller in Manila. Honeys call me bigger, the condom filler. Whether it's stiff tongue or stiff dick, Biggie squeeze it to make shit fit. Now check this shit, I got the pack of Rough Riders in the back of the Pathfinder. You know the epilogue by James Todd Smith. I get swift with the lyrical gift.
Alright guys, so quick update. What Dennis had done so far is taking out the front bumper, obviously. It's over there. Both headlights is over there. And we are going to try to figure out the wiring on this. So alright, quick little update for you guys. So the added fuse was put into the fuse box, obviously. And what Dennis had done was he dropped the wire down this way for wire management, for you guys' ideas. He had gone through all the way here on the front beam, I think that's what it's called, all the way to the other side.
Hit you with the dick, make your kidney shift. Here we go, but I'm not domino. I got the phone flow to make your drawers drop slow. So recognize the dick size in these Calcanine jeans. I wear 13s, know what I mean?
Alright guys, so Dennis and I are just testing everything out right now. Seems like everything's going well. Just need to connect the bumper and make sure that that doesn't make it hyperblink when we do the turn signals. Alright everybody, this is going to be the end of the video. I know it is pretty much cut short, but the install is completely done. And shout out to Dennis for coming by, installing all these modifications to the front end. Now hopefully we can move on to the side profile of the car, which is going to be possibly side skirts and rear spats. But to show you the aftermath, I'll do a little more in-depth video on the review of the grill, the headlights, and the signal lights. But as far as right now, go follow me on Instagram, tito.aj.rex, if you guys wanted to see a little bit more of the behind the scenes and or the aftermath of the install. So thank you again, everyone, for watching. If you haven't already, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Maybe next year. I don't know what the next video is going to be, but see you guys later. Stay positive and be awesome. Peace!